Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The main difference between the two is that baking powder is a mixture of baking soda, acid and cornstarch. In contrast, the other ingredients in baking powder help counterbalance the taste. How does it work? Because baking powder usually contains cornstarch, this makes it a viable option to thicken sauces.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cornstarch, flour, or potato starch are often used as buffers. An inert starch serves several functions in baking powder. Primarily it is used to absorb moisture, and thus prolong shelf life of the compound by keeping the powder's alkaline and acidic components dry so as not to react with each other prematurely.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cornstarch versus corn flour is a finely ground powder made from whole corn kernels, while cornstarch is a finely ground powder made from just the starchy part of the corn kernel. Cornmeal is a coarse substance made from dried corn kernels.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When using baking powder to thicken a sauce, first mix a small amount of the powder with enough cold liquid, water, milk, juice or broth to form a paste. Don't add baking powder directly to hot liquids as lumps will form and the sauce will not thickening evenly.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Baking powder is used for baking. It is made up of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, and acid salt which reacts with moisture or heat, or both, such as tartaric acid, monocalcium or combination of acid salts, and cornstarch used to keep ingredients separated.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.